As you become more successful as an affiliate, you will find that a lot of work comes with maintaining your sites and setting up new ones. Don't let your own success be your success killer. In this lesson, we're giving you an introduction into outsourcing. You'll learn an overview of what exactly outsourcing involves, as well as how it can benefit you and your affiliate marketing strategy. I'll then be letting you know a couple of places to look online to give it a go, so you can get a feel for how outsourcing can work for you. So what is this outsourcing all about? It's the process of hiring other people to get things done, and there are two reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is to get others to do things that you could do yourself but simply don't have time for. This is usually the case if your business is taking off or if you have too many things on your to-do list and you can only fit the highest priority ones into your day. If you don't want other areas to slip because you don't have time, outsourcing is your answer. The other reason you might want to outsource is to get something done that you don't know how to do. No one can do everything themselves. I would be impressed to the point of suspicious if you were the kind of online superstar who could write website code, design graphics, create articles, and research everything you could need to know from content to marketing trends all by yourself. Any project benefits from a variety of people working together, each focused on their own specialty, to create something of more value than any one person could create alone. For this reason, you might outsource tasks that you feel are over your head to someone who knows exactly what to do. Obviously, the main benefit of outsourcing is that you free up a lot of your own time to focus on your top priorities. But let's discuss some of the other benefits outsourcing can have for you. When you pay someone from elsewhere in the world to do work for you, it lowers the risks to your company if the people from one location can't work for any reason. Now, this could be because of many factors, from small things such as public holidays or snow days, right through to natural disasters taking out an area for a significant period of time. If the people working for you are spread out, there's always going to be someone to keep things going, even if you're in a bit of a pickle where you are. If you need someone with specialist knowledge that no one in your area has, then you can find someone online who's got what you're looking for without having to leave your computer. This makes it so much faster to scale your business since you can get what you need straight away without having to hunt around for someone who might be available locally. On a similar note, if someone in your area has the skills that you require, they might not be the best for your company. With outsourcing, you can hire the best out there for what you need rather than having to take what's available nearby, regardless of quality. Finally, the one we've all been waiting for, outsourcing can be super cheap. I would urge you to always make sure of quality before hiring someone to do a job purely because they charge so little. Sometimes cheap does equal low quality, but if you know where to look, you can get high quality that's affordable. One example of this is that the cost of living is different from country to country. If you hire from a country where $100 will go a lot further than where you are, you can get the same skill level as someone local for much less. That way you're also giving them as much money as they would normally make for those skills, so you're saving money without ripping anyone off. The other way that outsourcing works for you financially is that you don't have to pay anyone a full-time salary unless you can afford it. You're more likely to start out by getting the odd job done via freelancing when you can afford to, and only moving on to hiring full-time employees when your success has grown enough for the time-money factor of it to be working in your favor. Hiring freelancers for the odd job as you need to also means that if you have a slow period where there's less going on, you don't have to pay someone you can't afford. A couple of popular options for finding people online include Elance and Fiverr. For smaller jobs, Fiverr has a variety of people with all kinds of skills. You can hire someone for $5 per job with the occasional add-on. This is great for writers, voice artists, graphic designers, even programming and tech work. Elance is a similar deal, though on a larger scale. You can make very specific job listings, then those with the skills to match your requirements will bid on the job and you can select someone from there. So there you have it, an overview of outsourcing. We've covered what it is and all the ways it can benefit you, including freeing up your time, reducing the risks involved with hiring locally, and giving you a wider variety of affordable people with great skills to choose from. We've also let you in on a couple of places to get started. So take a look into Elance and Fiverr to get an idea for yourself whether or not they have people with the skills that you need and how much it will cost to get certain jobs done. You may discover that there's a lot of potential to save yourself some time and effort while still being affordable.